Next up here is Tesla. Now, Tesla's an interesting setup here. Yesterday put in what looks like a potential evening star, which is a one candle reversal pattern. However, the price action didn't overlap and break down. It gapped down into support at the 8-period exponential moving average here at 365.80. Now, if this starts to run up through here, any shorts that may be left in the trade will likely start to cover. However, anyone who was short from this day, maybe even started shorting this day, likely took their profits, and that's kind of what helped to start driving it up higher today. This is not a stock that one wants to be on the wrong side of once it starts to move against you. So not something that I'm thinking is going to be reversing yet. Has broken out from a pattern here on the intraday time frame, and as such we'll be looking for a potential pullback here into 373 area, likely with some calls. It is Friday, so the premium will be at least a little bit more reasonable. Stop loss will still be a whole dollar away, which kind of sucks, but it is Tesla, so this thing can move a few dollars in a matter of a minute. So we'll see what does happen. Could potentially come up here and try to fill this gap up here to 380. So I will put that on my screen as the target. And like I said, I don't want to be caught on the wrong side of this. Even the last time it looked like it put in some sort of more of a topping pattern. It did dip down, found support at the moving averages, and rocketed back up another $60. So we'll see what does happen. There was an article out from Ron Barron that said implied that it could potentially be another $1,000 stock or so. I mean, that's kind of ridiculous, but I mean, Tesla's disrupting a couple of major industries here, so we'll see how investors continue to view that and if they continue to push it up higher. Not really much else to draw on here today. Did have a nice tight pattern here into the midday area where it did finally spike out. This is going to be the one plan that I have on the chart here for Tesla. It's not something that I'm willing to chase. I'm probably going to only trade it with very small size and a few call options and see if I can capture at least some of the move. So we'll see what happens with Tesla tomorrow.